How to refund Brawl Star purchases. So first thing you gotta do before you go deep into the customer support services is make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of Brawl Stars. Just head directly to your Google Play Store and make sure that you're updated from the application. Now once you have made sure, just access the game, and once you're here, just head directly to the top right portion of your screen, which is gonna be the three lines, and just head directly to settings. Now once you're in settings, just go to help and support. Then here, just go back. So I have already done a conversation to one of the support from Brawl Stars customer services. And then just head directly to purchases. And then in here, what you want to do is you will be able to see a chat box or a chat icon right here at the top right portion. Tap on that and then just leave a message. Then here what you want to do is just tap on a new conversation and you'll just have to explain thoroughly on what specific refund and what specific purchase you'd like to have. And that's it. That's how you refund Brawl Star purchases.